Hey, it's Jack from Jack Gately Real Estate and the Online Real Estate Academy. So apparently I was wrong. It pains me to say, but I was wrong. I thought for sure that the fact that the buyer's attorneys were going to try to intervene and stop the whole settlement thing, I was fairly confident that would at least create some type of delay that would throw a wrench into the works. But no, I was absolutely completely wrong when I opined on that yesterday because today, let's bring up the headline here. Today, judge approves commission settlements for Anywhere, Remax, and Keller Williams, which I got to admit, like yesterday, that seemed questionable because the attorneys for the buyers in the buyer lawsuits, Batten 1, Batten 2, had filed a first restraining order to stop the hearing altogether. And then they were going to have the opportunity to testify at the hearing, but they got like 5 minutes apiece. Judge wasn't having it. And then earlier today, I looked at the schedule, the calendar, as they call it, for the Western District of Missouri, and I didn't see the case on the calendar today. I saw Judge Bo's name on the case, but not the case. So I'm just a mere mortal. Who am I to actually understand the federal court system? How dare I even try to understand it, right? I didn't go to law school and too smart to be a lawyer. But so I was wrong. Pains me to say it. And these settlements are now final, pending any last-minute appeals, I guess. Despite last-minute motion to delay the hearing, the proceedings went on as scheduled, ending buyer agent commissions litigation for the three brokerages. And I think there is a nuance that is covered in the comment here by Anywhere in the Inman article. Anywhere's announcement, if we are to believe the announcement from Anywhere's announcement noted that the settlement will not eliminate similar litigation brought by home buyers, like the Batten 1 or the Batten 2 case, but will reduce the size of the potential as the yet uncertified class by eliminating claims for buy-side damages. God, who writes these sentences? By those individuals who also sold property and are covered by the Anywhere settlement. So if I understand the nuance there, basically, if I get this right, and if Anywhere is telling the truth, if for some reason you were going to be due a claim as a home seller from the Sitzer case, you cannot also claim on the buy side in the Batten 1 and Batten 2 cases. If I have that's right. I'm now doubting my ability to parse these statements. But I think that's what that says. And God, if it would be written in pure English rather than this horrific sentence, who writes this shit? But will reduce the size of the potential as yet uncertified class by eliminating claims for buy-side damages by those individuals who also sold a property and are covered by the Anywhere settlement. So I'm pretty sure that means that if you were trying to basically double dip, if you want to think about it that way, on both lawsuits. So if you were looking for a check for $11.93 and then you were hoping to get another check for $7.33, yeah, you got to pick one check or the other. That's the way I read it. But I am now doubting my abilities to understand all this legal mumbo jumbo written by our definitely people that are way smarter than I am that went to law school, because only they can understand how the federal courts work. Hey, thanks so much for joining us today. Let's see. We do have a comment here. It's all still questionable. I think it is questionable. I'm keeping the wrench. I am keeping the wrench. Might actually just put it up here. Should I put it up? You tell me. Tell me in the comments. Should I keep the wrench nearby or should I bring it back and put it on the workbench down in the basement? But I think I should put it nearby here because I think we're going to need the wrench in the future for some other unexpected delay going forward, and especially the rules package from the NAR settlement, right? And we still have not heard. Maybe we won't hear at all, but we still have not heard from the Department of Justice, either in their reopening of their investigation with NAR or through the No Select case or through this case here either. Now, remember in the No Select case, which is here based in Massachusetts, MLS PIN versus No Select or No Select versus MLS PIN, the next deadline for that is May 24th, where the parties get to respond to the Department of Justice letter, which was filed on February 15th. You get the sense there. Okay, Department of Justice filed their letter February 15th when I was in the free state of Florida down there for a week. Went to the Daytona 500. There's my ticket right there. And now, May 24th, the plaintiffs are now just responding to that. So that's like, what's that, like 3 months? So, yeah, you got one of these wrenches thrown in, and there can be significant delays. So I was wrong, taking responsibility. Remember that famous Happy Days episode where Fonzie can't say he was wrong? Well, I can say I was sort of wrong. I could have done better. All right, no, I'm just got to say it. I was wrong. All right. Any other, of course, having fun with it. Thank you for being good sports. I always enjoy your show. Thank you from Phoenix. And hey, by the way, Jackie, way to go. From what I understand, your comment at the very end of yesterday's show, you developed some type of blog or video, YouTube channel or whatever that focuses on horses. And I think you just said you sold like 6 or 7 houses recently based upon your content creation. Awesome. Way to go. That's what I've been preaching. Nice job. With that, I would also say that this is totally unsponsored, that I do believe that Gary Vaynerchuk has a new book coming out this month, if I'm not mistaken, about this very topic. So you could go look at that up on the internet. We should have more props. Yeah, you know what? I should have more props. I got to kind of spruce up the backdrop. I got this. My daughter painted the picture, and I got my Daytona thing, and this. Yeah, I could get some more props. Yes. All right. So that is the update for today. I was wrong in the short term, but I think in the long term we will be using the wrench, maybe more than once. All right. Hey, go make some money. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh, we have one more comment. Oh, hold on. Hope you don't mind. This is a good show regarding the MLS plan. Good studies wanted to share with you. Thank you. Appreciate your help, Jackie. Thank you. Have a great day in beautiful Phoenix.